Most power utilities have to upgrade their automation systems for both new and existing substations after several decades to incorporate digital smart substation systems. This upgrade is necessary to ensure sustainability and efficiency of their overall system. For our customer, a power utility in Asia, the SICAM A8000 by Siemens is the ideal solution, offering the essential flexibility and efficiency to meet their specific operational needs and challenges. Our customer faced significant limitations with their existing, outdated RTU. A critical challenge was the inability to expand through additional I/O modules due to the constrained installation space available within the distribution substation. This limitation not only hindered operational flexibility, but also posed a threat to future scalability, an essential factor for maintaining efficiency and reliability in energy distribution. The Siemens SICAM A8000 series resolved these issues with its modular, space-efficient design. This series perfectly caters to tight spaces and demanding conditions, ensuring a smooth upgrade to digital smart substations. Its support for open protocols maximizes substation efficiency, minimizes energy waste, and opens the door to future expansion without space concerns. The SICAM A8000 is a flexible solution for retrofitting old RTUs in both distribution and transmission substations. Its adaptability enables seamless integration, enhancing efficiency and sustainability regardless of the equipment's original manufacturer. As a microgrid controller, it integrates renewable energy sources and offers dynamic load management for electric vehicles, thereby preventing grid overloads and promoting CO2 reduction. These capabilities signify its crucial role in sustainable energy digitization. Another challenge was that our customers' cybersecurity measures within the distribution substation were outdated and insufficient for protection against modern, sophisticated threats. In response to this challenge, Siemens SICAM A8000 came as a formidable solution. It's equipped with advanced cybersecurity features designed to significantly enhance the security posture of the customer's distribution substation.